how to find your post privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your post privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile here and go down. Here you will find your post. Just click these 3 points in the top corner and click here, change audience, and as you see here you can find your post privacy settings, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.